Hello everyone. In this video we will study about renewable resources. A renewable resource is one that can be used repeatedly and does not run out because it is naturally replaced. A renewable resource essentially has an endless supply such as solar energy, wind energy, and geothermal pressure. Other resources are considered renewable even though some time or effort must go into their renewal. For example, wood, oxygen, leather, and fish. Most precious metals are renewable also. Although precious metals are not naturally replaced, they can be recycled because they are not destroyed during their extraction and use. A renewable energy source means energy that is sustainable, something that can't run out or is endless like the sun. When you hear the term alternative energy, it is usually referring to renewable energy sources too. It means sources of energy that are alternative to the most commonly used non sustainable sources like coal. The most popular renewable energy sources currently are solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, and biomass energy. Let us see how these types of renewable energy works. First one is the solar energy. Sunlight is one of our planet's most abundant and freely available energy resources. The amount of solar energy that reaches the Earth's surface in 1 hour is more than the planet's total energy requirements for a whole year. Although it sounds like a perfect renewable energy source, the amount of solar energy we can use varies according to the time of day and the season of the year as well as geographical location. Next is the wind energy. Wind is a plentiful source of clean energy. To harness electricity from wind energy, turbines are used to drive generators which then feed electricity into the national grid. Although domestic or off-grid generation systems are available, not every property is suitable for a domestic wind turbine. Next is the hydro energy. As a renewable energy resource, hydropower is one of the most commercially developed one. By building a dam or barrier, a large reservoir can be used to create a controlled flow of water that will drive a turbine generating electricity. This energy source can often be more reliable than solar or wind power, especially if it is tidal rather than the river, and also allows electricity to be stored for use when demand reaches a peak. Like wind energy, in certain situations, hydro energy can be more viable as a commercial energy source, dependent on type and compared to other sources of energy, but depending very much on the type of property, it can be used for domestic off-grid generation. Next is the tidal energy. This is another form of hydro energy that uses twice daily tidal currents to drive turbine generators. Although tidal flow, unlike some other hydro energy sources, isn't constant, it is highly predictable and can therefore compensate for the periods when the tide current is low. Next is the geothermal energy. By harnessing the natural heat below the Earth's surface, geothermal energy can be used to heat homes directly or to generate electricity. Although it harnesses a power directly below our feet, geothermal energy is of negligible importance. In the UK, compared to countries such as Iceland, where geothermal heat is much more freely available. Next is the biomass energy. This is the conversion of solid fuel made from plant materials into electricity. Although fundamentally biomass involves burning organic materials to produce electricity. This is not burning wood, and nowadays this is a much cleaner, more energy efficient process. By converting agricultural, industrial, and domestic waste into solid, liquid, and gas fuel, biomass generates power at a much lower economical and environmental cost. The future of renewable energy. As world population arises, so does the demand for energy in order to power our homes, business, and communities. Innovation and expansion of renewable sources of energy is key to maintaining a sustainable level of energy and protect our planet from climate change. This was about the renewable sources. Thank you.